Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This is going to be quick. Covered most of this. We have 3 examples. We're going to use the standard delimiter. In this case, we're going to put our data over here in B5 over into 2 columns. Our delimiter is going to be the equal sign. The next 2 examples, we want to address what happens with an NA error. Here's the requirement. Text split B5. Our column delimiter is equal. Our row delimiter is a comma. We've done this countless times. The second example, all we're doing is incorporating this padding down here in 23. We're going to use the hyphen. There's an error as recognized here in E17. We're going to substitute that NA with minus sign or a hyphen. Last, we're going to exchange that NA with a blank. That's it. I want you to practice this. What's critical here is understanding or recognizing these splits here. What I mean splits, the commas. You have to separate what we're using as delimiters versus our arguments. You don't want to, I know it gets confusing. Visually, it's tough to see. You have to break these up. And when you have multiple commas being used as delimiters, sure to separate the delimiters from the arguments. 3 commas are going to be your arguments. This right here would be 3. This one would be 4, and this one would be 5, taking us down to 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this last one would be your 6th argument. It's confusing. I do it all the time. I mess this up repeatedly, and I have to go back and correct it. Just because visually, it's just that you have to be careful on your inputs. My only recommendation is take it slow, incorporate this stuff one step at a time. Can you incorporate this using the function box? No. Again, with this free version, we should be able to go into this function and be able to manipulate this thing, but no. Now, on the paid version, you may have that ability. We can't decipher this information. We can't do F9s. We can't look under the hood. And look, it's free. I guess you get what you pay for. And again, as I said, I'm hoping this shows up on desktop. Well, a lot of you have paid money for the desktop 2021 Excel. Why are we being excluded? Well, again, I'm off topic. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.